Hello everyone and happy Thursday. Dear entomologists, today is Thursday, May 28th, 2020. Yesterday we learned how plants and bugs need each other in many ways. Bugs use plants for food to eat and for shelter. Plants need bugs as pollinators and to keep pests away. Today we are going to explore some of the ways people need bugs. I hope you all have an awesome day. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So let's start with bugs are helpful to people. Some bugs eat other bugs that are pests. And yes, this benefits the plant as well, but it's also a benefit to people. So imagine you planted a garden filled with beautiful flowers, and then you get aphids. Aphids eat beautiful flowers. Well, you can rely on ladybugs because ladybugs get rid of aphids, so they can help your garden grow. Other benefits of bugs. Bees help us get honey to make sweet treats. We use beeswax to make candles. Some bugs pollinate flowers. And bugs give us silk for PJs and shirts. And there are many more than just this. Thank you for tuning into the morning message. I hope you all have an awesome day. Bye.